Welcome to Soft Reviewed. In this video, I want to share with you a new feature that YouTube introduced. Now you have the ability to do split testing with your thumbnails. In order to access this, you need to click on this pencil icon. Then you need to scroll here to the thumbnail section. And if you just click on view, then you can already see the test results. So it's saying that it will take 13 days and 16 hours for the result to get populated. So we can also stop the test and we can click on just done in order to close this. So the thumbnail will be like this if there is split test running. So the thumbnail will be split. So if I have also enabled for this video as well, you can just click here and click on test and compare. Here you have the option to add 3 more images. In total you can add 3 images. Why this is helpful is if you think you have another image that might get more clicks, you can test it with different images, and the algorithm will pick the one with the best one, and also validate which thumbnails are working for you. So do check this out. This is really a powerful tool that I always wanted in YouTube, and it will automatically rotate different thumbnails every time for each impression, and it will see which one gets the more clicks, and it will select the best one for you, and you will get also a detailed report on which one is performing more. So I hope this was helpful. If you like to get more tips like this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more future videos. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.